Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through step by step on how to install the Terminator Terminal in Ubuntu. If you use the terminal a lot, Terminator will give you extra features like vertical and horizontal split screen, so you can run multiple commands side by side. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open the regular terminal, so go to your menu over here and open Terminal. Now, before installing anything, we should update our system so we get the latest version of the package. So what you have to do is type the following simple command. You can also copy it from the description box below. Now hit enter and then your password. Now wait for the update to complete. It should take a few seconds or minutes depending on the number of packages in your system. Now once the update is finished, let's install the Terminator by running this simple command. You can find it again in the description box below. Now simply hit enter. So it may ask you, do you want to continue? If that happens, just press yes and hit enter. The installation will then begin and it should take a few seconds to complete. So just wait for a bit. Now once the installation is over, the next thing is to open the Terminator app. So you can close the terminal and then just simply go to the app menu and search for Terminator, or you can directly open it right over here. So click on the icon and it will launch, as you can see right over here. You can also right-click on the application and add the application to the favorites, so it will also appear in the taskbar. Now one of the best features of Terminator is that you can split your terminal screens. Now to split your screen vertically, press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. And that will split your terminal in vertical form. And to split the screen horizontally, press Ctrl plus Shift plus E, and that will create a horizontal split, as you can see right over here. Now you can run different commands in each pane, all in one window. This makes multitasking with terminals super easy. So that's it. You have successfully installed the Terminator Terminal in your terminal and learned how to use the split screen feature. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.